boys loves spending time with his all-time #1 hero, his dad, Kenan. Kenan works full-time to make ends meet, so Justin comes too. He does what he can to help his dad collect reeds for his business. Kenan uses the reeds to make flower arrangements that he sells in town. In a good week, he'll earn about £5. Just enough for the two of them to scrape by. Kenan knows there's only one sort of arrangement that sells here. Funeral wreaths. In the north of Zambia, there are hundreds of funerals, every day, every week. AIDS has ravaged this town. Almost everybody's lost someone to the disease. Kenan and Justin are no exception. Justin was only 2 when his mum died of AIDS.
I get really worried about Justin because he doesn't have a mom. So I try to make sure I'm with him most of the time.
Life has been tough for both of them since Justin's mum died.
I miss my wife very much. When she was still alive, life was easier. Sometimes, when my work couldn't support us, she would help me gathering flowers to sell.
Doing the work he does, Kenan is constantly reminded of his loss and the uncertain future that both he and Justin face, because they too are ill with HIV/AIDS.
When Dad gets sick, he goes and stays in the hospital, and I'm left on my own. I don't have any way of getting the things I need, but sometimes the church gives me grapes to eat and juice to drink.
Justin's life is surrounded by death. There's no respite from it, and sometimes it's just too much for his dad to bear.
I love Justin very much because he's my only child and the only child that God has given.